On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your communication skill? Do you feel that you need to improve your communication skill in order for you to be successful professionally and even personally? So, for today's topic, I would like to share with you my personal insight based on my experience as well with handling team, being a team member, being a team leader, and how good communication skill really influence everything we do at work and outside work. So if this topic is interesting for you, please continue watching. I'm going to share with you the reasons why you should improve your communication skills and the benefits. So let's get into it. So, number one, when you have a good communication skill, it strengthens your relationship. Let's talk about workplace environment. When you do have a good communication skill, you're basically able to articulate your feelings, your thoughts, your emotions. So let's just say, for example, you are a trainer. As a trainer, you're constantly um, facing a group, whether a small group or a big group. So, one of your criteria as a trainer, obviously, is for you to have the ability to conduct effective training. And to make that work, you need to have very basic, good communication skills. So, this is one of the benefits why people should make an effort to improve their communication skill. Or if you feel that your communication skill is already excellent, but you can still, get some courses and watch some videos online where you can get a new perspective. I hope this is a channel that's reaching to you right now. So, another benefit of having good communication skill is your effectiveness at work. So, let's say, for example, you are running a sales team. In order for you to be effective with that role, you should be able to communicate to your team what needs to be done. Not just simply saying we need to hit our KPI for this next 3 months by making 200% of the sales we're supposed to make. Not in that context, not in that very shallow context, but being able to effectively communicate to your team how you're going to get from point A to the end point. So, one of the benefits of having a good communication skill as well is if you're managing a sales team. In this particular channel, I would imagine the majority of the viewers are either salespeople, telemarketers, team lead. You might be in the real estate, you might be in insurance. Please share to us on the comment section what do you actually do for a living and what brought you to this channel. I would love to know the reason why. I'm very curious with a very small community where you're actually coming from and what is your motivation to watch this channel. So going back to one of the benefits of having good communication skill is also that you are actually able to address conflict. So we know that when we are in the professional environment or even personal environment, there will always be conflict. It's hard to avoid that, but there will be conflict. And if you are actually, if you have a good communication skills, not only you can minimize the conflict, but at the same time, if really it's unavoidable, you're able to fix the conflict without having to fight with someone or having to cause or trigger more conflicts amongst the peers or amongst the group. And this is actually a very good it is a very good way to improve your communication skill if this is the area you're very weak at, because it really would influence the way you settle any work conflict. So any one of you who's experienced work conflict, please comment down below. I myself have experienced that, and the worst thing is to have a manager or a leader who's not able to fix the conflict before it became a big conflict because of lacking of good communication skills. So another benefit of good communication skill is obviously it will boost your confidence. I feel that one of the reason why I am so driven to get on YouTube and create this channel is because of my passion, and it's because of my ability to communicate my thoughts and my experience and my knowledge and my passion. And when you have that, you can really improve the way you communicate yourself and your confidence level. In any workplace, you look around on the leaders, the team leaders, the top people in the highest position. One thing they do have in common is good communication skills. It's very important to have good communication skills if you are also in a workplace environment, because not only that your confidence level is going up, but you can also have an opportunity to elevate your position. You know, if you are eyeing for a promotion, if you're eyeing for a position that would lift your income, that would help you get onto that promotion, one of the criteria that you need to showcase is your confidence level and that you are a good candidate because you have good communication skill. So don't be shy. Showcase your communication skill all the time, every time, because it will be so useful for you, especially if you're trying to get on to that promotion or you're applying for a work promotion. So another good benefit of of having good communication skill is your ability to problem solve. Again, it's no brainer that if you're actually a good communicator, you're also a good identifier. You can also identify what is wrong with the situation. And so, therefore, you're able to articulate with your team if there is a problem, and you're able to identify that. And at the same time, you're able to problem solve the situation, because it sounds so, to me, I find it very interesting. I have worked with some really great leaders in my entire career, and the greatest leaders I've ever worked with are the ones who foresee the problem before the problem even arose. So why are they able to do that? Because it's basically coming down to a point where they are good communicators, and they can identify situation because they are able to articulate before it's going to happen or while it's happening. So one of the benefit is you become, or you develop to become a good problem solver. So another good benefit of of having good communication skill is your networking opportunities. um, Anyone here from the corporate world, we know that network connections is so important. How many of us are on LinkedIn? How many of us are on social media? How many of us are using social media or LinkedIn, for example, to network, to connect? And if you do have good communication skills, and somebody would post a very interesting position or interesting topic, you can engage into that, and eventually you'll be able to showcase your communication skill, and you could be selected for something that you're eyeing for. So again, it helps you to network. You know, people who are good with networking are the ones who are good with communication. So that's another good benefit of having good communication skill. Now, another one, guys, is when you have a good communication skill, you increase empathy. You increase empathy in a way where every day there will be challenges at work. Every day there will be people at work that are struggling, or you might have a staff or a few people in your team who are unable to deliver, or who needed help, you know, especially the new staff who are really struggling to catch up with all the experienced people in the office. I experienced this myself when I was a new employee from my last employment. I experienced this, the pressure of catching up to everyone. And it was so important to have a leader who would have empathy. And when you are good with communication skill, or when you have a very good communication skill, you're able to have you're able to increase your empathy to others. And that is a very good trait of a good leader. And it's a snowball effect as well of, if the company can see that you're a good leader and you show empathy to people and to employees or to your team or to your staff or to your subordinates, you're a perfect candidate for or you can be nominated for promotion. And I know in this video I kept talking about promotion and stuff, but at the same time, on a personal level, when you have good communication skill, personally, you can really achieve a lot of things outside work. Another reason why having good communication skill, or one of the benefits as well, is it reduces unnecessary stress. You know, the frustration of, oh, you don't understand me, we don't understand each other, we can't see eye to eye, and so conflict at work, or nothing gets done, or there's a lack of cooperation amongst the team when you're doing a collaboration with so many different people, right? So when you have a good communication skill, you articulate yourself clear, you accept the message or the response by your team or by the people in that particular collaboration. You can accept their message, and with your clear mind, because you have a good communication skill, and therefore you eliminate the possibility of unnecessary stress. So that's actually one of my favorite as well. I feel that when I have good communication skill and I'm able to communicate and articulate and be understood, it really it eliminates the unnecessary stress. Because even on the personal level, if I'm outside work, if I'm talking to friends or acquaintances or anyone, if you have good communication skill and you're talking to someone who also have a good communication skill, the stress level is very, very, almost you can't really see it, because you guys are understanding each other. And the next one, guys, is another great benefit of having good communication skill is your long-term success. One thing about communication skill, guys, is this is not something you go to school for. It's not a course. In many ways, you develop this from education, from your intrapersonal relationship, from your interaction, and that's why work experience is so important. In fact, any experience in life is so important, especially our age group. You know, we have had so many experiences in life that you look back and say, oh, I've learned a lot from that experience, and that helped me to be better with this area in my life. And so as communication skill. So the long-term benefit of good communication skill, it's transferable. It's a transferable benefit. You can use it for work, you can use it for personal, and at the same time, it's just a handy skill to have that surely will just make your life easy, if at the minimum. So I hope that today's topic, of sharing with you the benefits of having good communication skill, will inspire you to check on yourself. How do I rate myself? What's my communication skill? And no one else can judge you better than yourself. We are always the best judge to ourselves. Like, okay, am I more on the 8th, more on the 7th? And then you can explore activities online that would allow you to improve your communication skill. And this is one of my exercise as well of creating this YouTube channel, because I feel that being able to speak on the camera express myself, what's in my mind, my heart, and my passion. And just on the camera, and just it's just me, my camera, and the greenery behind me. To be really honest with you, but what I'm saying is, if you really are able to find ways to improve your communication skill, number one, just identify first the area you need to improve. And I hope that you explore my playlist. My channel has a lot more to offer to our viewers, and I hope that you continue to learn, whether it's a little piece of knowledge from every video. And I'm so excited for many more videos to come. So, again, thanks for viewing. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your support. And I hope if you want to talk about more on communication skills in depth, please let me know on the comment section. I would like to do more in depth communication on that with you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one, guys, and take care wherever you are. Bye.